Students, it's time to do the worksheet. Write date and classwork on the top of the page. Write worksheet in the middle. Then write the question, fill in the blanks with A or an. You have to see the first letter of each word. If the first letter is a consonant, then you have to fill article a in the blank. If the first letter is vowel, then you have to fill article an in the blank, right? So let's begin. It is dash cat. Now see students, the first letter is C. It is a consonant, that's why what will come here? A. It is a cat. Next, it is dash mushroom. Now tell me what will come here. See, the first letter is a consonant. So what will come? A. Yes. It is a mushroom. Next is, it is dash umbrella. Now see, the first letter is U, which is a vowel. That's why we will write here an. Now, next is, it is dash pumpkin. Now see, the first letter is P, which is a consonant. That's why we will write here a. It is a pumpkin. Next is, it is dash house. Now see, H. H is a consonant. That's why we will write here a. It is a house. Next is, it is dash ice cream. Now see students, the first letter is I, which is a vowel. That's why an ice cream. Okay, and now next is, it is dash cake. The first letter is C, which is a consonant. That's why a. It is a cake. Now students, do this worksheet very neatly in your notebooks.